Asia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this wig from Beauty Forever. I'm going to leave all the specs on the screen and in the description bar below for this hair. It is, you know, this little kind of yucky texture, as you can see. Frontal. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long though. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay, y'all, so of course we're gonna be starting out with plucking the frontal. So I'm going to be wetting it. I did not bleach the knots on this wig because, well, I didn't need to. So for this wig, since colored hair does pluck really easily, I decided to show y'all two different methods. I feel like this is the more beginner friendly method, and then the second method I'm going to show you is like the more intermediate, like if you already know how to do wigs kind of method. So I am parting a section behind the hairline, plucking, and then I'm going to pull that back and then pluck some more. This way is much more forgiving, so if you accidentally pluck too much, you know, you have some hairline left over to play with. Now the next method bless you, baby. The next method I'm going to be using is just pulling the full hairline back and plucking just straight from the, like, not parting out a row, just plucking the hairline straight back. I feel like that way is a little more for someone that's already experienced with wigs, just because you kind of pretty much already have to know what you're doing and know where to pluck for that method. Either way, I just want to show y'all two different ways to pluck your wig.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how, cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow.
Okay, y'all, so right here I am flat ironing my wig. I just want to show y'all like the different texture. So it's like it's Kinky Straight. So when I flat iron it, it still has like that yucky kind of natural texture to it, but I want to show y'all the two different textures next to each other. So anyway, now I'm starting with the install. I'm going to put all the products that I'm using on the screen, so pause your screen if you want to see those. I'm just going to do 3 layers of glue and stick down my wig. This part is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch and I'll be back soon.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah,
Okay, so right here I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace, but I initially cut, and I did not cut very close to where I had glued because I kind of wanted that, like, I didn't know if I was gonna do baby hair or not, so I was trying to keep the hairline kind of thin because I feel like that looks more natural. But then I felt like it wasn't giving me enough forehead space. So after I did this, I did go back and cut more of the lace off in the front. So you'll see that here, but if you're wondering why I ended up cutting twice, that's why. I was going to keep it like this, but then I decided no, I actually want more of my forehead to show, because I don't know, it kind of looked a little weird. And also, I'm a real big baby hair girl. Like, I really don't ever wear my wigs without baby hair, and I was gonna give it a try this time, but y'all, maybe next time, not this time though. But anyway, I am using this method that I saw on TikTok, where you like place the razor like on your head, and then you like pull the lace, and it like kind of cuts it like jagged. And I really like this method. I'm definitely going to be using it again.
The reason I'm going out of my mind, I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you.
Okay, so now that we got that wig melted, I know y'all seen that melt when I took that band off. I know y'all seen that. I'm actually going to be going ahead and doing a style. I decided to do like, you know, a little side bang, curl bang type of thing with like half up, half down. So I am going to be pulling out me a little, you know, a little baby hair, a little sideburn, and I'm going to be using the hot comb. Guys, make sure you use your hot comb. The hot comb is your friend. Using the hot comb to flatten out the wig and giving me a little more curve to my baby hair section. I'm going to be plucking it because it's giving very much boxy. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to be using some makeup to fill in my part. I did not put the makeup on the screen, sorry guys, but look, did y'all see how I messed it up? I used a little bit of alcohol and cleaned it off my wig. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so I am going to be curling my baby hair. I accidentally did that off camera. I meant to record that, but somehow I didn't. Anyway, I'm going to be curling my baby hair, and then I'm going to slick it down. And honestly, I didn't really do too much after this. Y'all really just gonna be seeing me doing my styling process and slicking my baby hair down and doing my ponytail, and that's pretty much it.
Never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just yeah, you always make me feel like yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. It came out super cute. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna leave everything about this wig and the link to the wig in the description bar below. Make sure you all give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified every time I make a new post. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.